Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about creating videos, vlogs, or social media content that truly stands out, then today's video is going to blow your mind. Because we're talking about something that's changing the future of content creation, 360-degree creator cameras, creator. These cameras capture every angle, every moment, and every perspective, giving creators the freedom to tell stories like never before. In this video, we'll talk about how 360-degree cameras work, what makes them special, which models are leading the market right now, and why they're becoming a must-have for YouTubers, vloggers, and even filmmakers. Let's start with the basics. A 360-degree camera is designed to capture a full panoramic view of your surroundings, not just what's in front of the lens, but everything around it. Unlike traditional cameras that have a single lens focusing in one direction, a 360-degree camera usually has two ultra-wide lenses that cover the front and back. These two images are then stitched together using software to create a full, immersive video that you can rotate, zoom, and explore in any direction. It's like stepping right into the video, and that's what makes 360-degree content so engaging. Now you might be wondering, what's the real benefit of filming in 360D? The answer is simple: creativity and freedom. For content creators, 360-degree cameras open up endless storytelling possibilities. You don't have to worry about missing a moment, because everything around you is being recorded. Whether you're filming a travel vlog, a car review, a mountain bike ride, or even a concert, the camera captures it all. And later, you can choose the best angles while editing. Another major advantage is immersion. 360-degree videos give viewers the feeling that they're actually there, right inside the moment with you. This is why 360-degree content has become so popular for VR, virtual reality, and social media platforms like YouTube VR, Facebook 360, and TikTok's immersive features. For creators, it means better engagement and longer watch times, which is exactly what every YouTuber wants. Now let's talk about some of the best 360-degree creator cameras that are leading the market in 2025 and expected to dominate 2026 as well. One of the top names is Insta360. Their latest model, the Insta360 X4, offers incredible 8K resolution, 5.7K at 60 FPS, and advanced stabilization technology called flow state, which keeps your footage smooth even if you're running, biking, or filming action scenes. The camera is compact, waterproof, and easy to use, making it perfect for vloggers and travelers. Then there's the GoPro MAX, another popular 360-degree camera. It combines GoPro's legendary ruggedness with full 360-degree capture. It's ideal for outdoor adventures, sports, and travel creators who want professional quality video without carrying heavy equipment. You can shoot both regular wide-angle videos and 360-degree footage in one device. GoPro also has one of the most user-friendly editing apps, which lets you reframe your shots later in post-production, giving you total control over how your video looks. If you're more into cinematic production, the Kandao Kucam 3 Ultra and Ricoh Theta Z1 are also making waves. These cameras offer larger sensors for better low-light performance and professional-grade image quality. Great for documentaries, real estate, or creative filmmaking. And for tech enthusiasts, companies like Samsung and Meta are also rumored to be working on next-gen 360 degrees and spatial cameras that integrate with VR headsets like the Apple Vision Pro and Meta Quest 3, taking immersive video to the next level. Let's talk about editing, one area that scares beginners the most. But don't worry, 360-degree video editing is now easier than ever. Most cameras come with built-in AI editing tools that automatically select the best moments, stabilize footage, and even add music and transitions. You can also use apps like Insta360 Studio, GoPro Player, or Adobe Premiere Pro for more advanced control. The magic is that you can record everything first and decide your framing later, a feature called reframing. It's like having 10 cameras shooting at once, and you can pick the perfect angle in post. Now, how much do these cameras cost? Well, it depends on the model and your needs. For beginners, affordable 360-degree cameras like the Insta360 Go 3S or Ricoh Theta SC2, start around $300 to $400. The mid-range options like the GoPro MAX or Insta360 X3, X4 go for $500 to $600, and professional models like the Theta Z1 or Kukum 3 Ultra can reach $900 or more. But the good news is, you don't need a professional rig to get amazing 360-degree results anymore. Even entry-level models can produce mind-blowing content that looks futuristic and professional. So, why are 360-degree creator cameras trending now? The answer lies in the growing demand for immersive and interactive content. Social media platforms are pushing VR and AR integration. Creators want to stand out, and audiences want to feel part of the story. From YouTubers and travelers to car reviewers, vloggers, and even real estate agents, everyone is realizing that 360-degree content helps them connect with viewers in a way that traditional cameras cannot. In short, the 360-degree camera isn't just a gadget, it's the future of storytelling. It captures moments from every angle, lets your creativity run wild, and transforms ordinary content into extraordinary experiences. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, investing in a 360-degree creator camera can take your content to a whole new level. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about 360-degree creator cameras and want to stay updated on the latest gadgets, cars, and tech innovations, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next big thing. Until next time, keep creating from every angle.